Hi, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a McCulloch Super Pro 125C. This one was made in 1977. It's 7.5 cubic inch. That's 123 cc's. It weighs 23 pounds, power head only. And this was a barn find. Pulled this one out of storage. It hasn't been used in years. It's got a 42-inch Oregon branded bar with a roller nose. Chain is worn out, and the saw needs to be rebuilt if you're going to use this for anything other than just for show. Here in a little bit I will start it just to show you that it does run, but right now I want to show you a few things on it. There's the carburetor area. And there's the muffler cover. Now it is missing an ear down there. You see on the lower part there. And there's the front shot. And there's the belly of her. Now let's give it a little shot of gas and then it'll fire up. Great old classic saw.